Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video with us at the Carbon Connection. So this is actually a 335 update. If you've seen the previous one, you'll know that the motor has been fully rebuilt. The car is running, well, it was running, and then we ran into some issues. It unfortunately has a boost leak, and we identified it as a faulty actuator. And in the previous video, we managed to source a second actuator to replace the faulty one. And with our luck, unfortunately, that actuator turned out to be faulty as well. Initially, in the video, you'd have seen that we tested it and it was holding pressure. A day later, unfortunately, it started leaking or bleeding out the same way that the previous one was. So I tried my best to try and find another second-hand one that seemed to be in good condition. Couldn't seem to source one at a decent price. I then decided that the only option for me is to order a brand new one. And then I said, you know what, let's just cover all the bases. Let's order two brand new ones so we know that both actuators in the car are fully functional with no issues. I went ahead and did some research. I believe the Mambatek turbocharger solutions are pretty good at this, so we ordered them off eBay. We also decided to order the Wastegate Rattle repair kit, which I believe mine are rattling. If you noticed in the previous video, you could hear it when I just started the car and I was sort of just getting it going. So we're going to take a look at the kit that I've ordered, and then we're going to head over to a place called Fastec Turbochargers, owned by Gaby, and he's going to do the install for us. So he's obviously going to install the actuators onto my turbos. The turbos are at the car again. He's going to do the Wastegate Rattle repair kit, and then obviously we will collect the turbos from him again, get it back to Janak, reinstall them. I know it's a really long process, but yeah, it is what it is. We have to do what we have to do to get the 335 back up and running, and then hopefully we will have solved our 30FF issues. So yeah, let's take a look at the kit that I've ordered, and then we'll head over to Gaby's place, take a look at his facility as well, and yeah. So this is the Mambatek actuator kit that I ordered, two brand new actuators. I did open it up when it arrived just to make sure that everything is there as it should be. Really cool bubble wrap, proper packaging, nice branding as well. So yeah, shout out to Mambatek for supplying a quality product. So here is the new actuator number one, and we've got another one in here. You can see they come with the brackets. These are specifically for right-hand drive cars or right-hand drive 335s. I think the difference would be the length of the actuator on the front turbo and the mounting bracket for left-hand drive cars. Okay, we've then also ordered the Wastegate Rattle kit, which I'll open up for you guys in a second. Quite difficult doing this with one hand, but yeah. So this is the Wastegate Rattle repair kit. It comes with new wastegate flappers and arms, and all the other necessary connections. Hopefully Gaby won't be too busy, so he can give us a brief explanation as to how they refit this kit. Looks like some quality product, man. So yeah, shout out to Mambatek again. I will leave a link to the seller that I purchased this from off eBay, in case you guys want to, of course, purchase anything from Mambatek through them. Shipping time was super quick from Taiwan to me here in South Africa. I think it was a matter of just 5 or 6 days, and the kit arrived at my doorstep. Pricing was decent, shipping was pretty decent as well. mode of transport for the day. We have 3330D. So yeah, let's actually take a quick look at my current turbos. So these are the two turbochargers from my N54 335i. That is the front turbocharger, that's the rear turbocharger, that is our fault. Hectic storm, decided not to head out to Gaby, so yeah, this is a few days later. Should have mentioned that earlier. But yeah, we have dropped off the turbos, the new actuators, and the Wastegate Rattle repair kit at Gaby at Fastec. You've seen a little peek of his facility, small sort of explanation on what he'll be doing, and yeah, we will catch up with you guys in a part 2 of this video once we collect the turbos, take it back to Janak at Solanke's, and of course refit it, and hopefully that'll solve our 30FF, our boost leak. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in to a small quick update on the 335 with us at Carbon Connection. I really need to stop saying us, it's just me at Carbon Connection. Yeah. Anyways, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.